YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, whack that subscribe button for weekly car videos, whether it's wrapping them, flipping them for money, whatever we're doing something every single week. We're out here working. So today's video, we're going to do the back bumper, bow, hopefully do the other side of the rear quarter, and they have a door, so that's all boxed off. And then at the end of the video, we'll be doing that front bumper, all the wrap done, probably over 2 days again, because again, it's about 6:30, 7 o'clock on a Friday night, up here on my own, doing the bits. So yeah, let's get into it, guys, let's get it done. So this side is pretty much done, obviously front bumper. I'm just scared of front bumpers. I need to do that bottom black strip down the bottom, door done. I need to adjust the handle. Not happy with the way I've done the handle. A few bits of tacking on the top, you can see. So yeah, a little bit of cutting. Just cut the piece. What? Nearly died. Just cut the piece for the back. So basically measured out that, cut a piece. That should be enough to do the front, if we're not wasteful. So yeah, this side, door, front bumper. So today, definitely this evening, rear bumper, this rear quarter, and then maybe these two can be done on another time. Definitely gonna have to do some like sanding, because this is a bit cracky. So that is gonna definitely be Sunday, but you know what it is. Let's crack, man, let's go.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Ooh, this time I wanna take it slow. I don't need my phone. I know how.
Well, that was a bit of a nightmare. The camera stopped recording, but as you can see, we are most of the way there with the back. So I've tucked that in as nice as I can there. Still need to tidy up this just a little bit more. Just currently cutting this and tucking it. So obviously that hangs over on this side. That out. Still all that. Just taking about, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours. But once I do that middle bit, gonna look sick. So yeah, I'm really feeling the look now. So let's crack on.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. catch you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Ooh, this time I wanna take it slow. I don't need my phone. I know how to picture in my mind the nights with you. I'm ready to enjoy the ride. I don't wanna die, but I could die in your arms, 'cause I don't need to live forever. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. And every way you keep me started off fine, now then left going deep in love. One more time. One more time. I wanna get you one more time. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you.
Okay guys, if you've got this far in the video, then fair play to you, because this has been an absolute slog. So I'm going to show you around the car now. We're not done. We've still got the front bumper, but that needs some sanding and whatnot. So I'm going to do that now. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm just going to leave the camera recording, speed up the front bumper, because it's going to be an absolute tool. But let's go for a walk around the car now, because all I want to do is with the BMW, so it has to be finished, so we can do that. So basically, so this side all done, the bottom seal, that, the doors, rear quarter. I'm leaving the roof black. Obviously I haven't done the wheels or the brake calipers yet, but still haven't got the lights in. I redid this piece today because I just didn't like it. I messed up here, so now that's 10 times better. I've still got a lot of wrap left, so at some point when the weather's a bit warmer, because the problem I've got is it's so cold in here, and I've got the heater kind of like blasting on the panel, but I will definitely in the summer redo some bits. So obviously this is all nicely tucked, and on the other side it's not as nicely tucked. Tuck that a little bit. So yeah, basically this side's all done as well. My door handles are not bad. You can see that bubble. I need to get those bubbles out. So yeah, I need to get. It's got air release, so little bubbles like that come out. So you haven't got to stress it really. You just got to go around with the heat gun and push them out. And obviously, I want to redo the bonnet as well. That's just got a bit of dust on it. So yeah, just gonna bang this out. Let's go. So there we go, guys. Can you wrap your own car? Yes. Is it gonna look good? Not really. On camera it looks great, but in person there's so many little areas that you just get annoyed. I'm super tired right now. Annoyed by that. It's worth just getting somebody to do it for you. So as always, guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe. In the next video we're going to do the calipers and the wheels, then we're on to the BMW. We will come back and have a look at some areas of the wrap. We need to order a new front bumper, so that needs to be wrapped once the weather gets better. Right now it's absolutely freezing in here, so unless you've got the paraffin heater directed straight at you, which makes you feel dizzy and hot, you don't have any heat in the wrap. But for now, the wrap's done, thank God. So it is quite blue there. So the front bumper, obviously you can still see the damage because it's smashed up. So there. So I just did it just so I could get kind of like the vibe, the look. I don't know. So yeah, bosh. For now, we're done. We do the calipers and the wheels because that's easy. It's a bit of sanding and a bit of paint, and this is done for now. And then we start with that. Bam.